Welcome back, 5th grade. Today we are going to take our stronger of the two stamps. You do have a tough choice to make today, and we're going to create our stamps using our sketch of choice. So what you have to do is take a look at your two sketches and decide which of these is the one that you actually want to use for your project. Which one do you think turned out better? Which one do you think will create a stronger radial design? Imagine the design all the way around in the circle. So I think I'm going to go with my top one. I know they're both relatively simple, but I'm going to stick with the top one. I think it'll work better. And once you have your sketch chosen, you just want to cut that out right around, right all the way along the line. Make sure you're not cutting too much into it because this is the exact same size as your stamp and you want to make sure that we can trace it accurately. Feel free to tear the entire page out if you need to, but again, go ahead and cut out your chosen design. All right, so after you have your sketch cut out, you can go ahead and grab your stamp for this project. So the stamp is just a piece of styrofoam, but it works really well for printing. For those of you at home, if you're deciding to join us in the printing, you can always cut your stamp out of a styrofoam plate. All right, so in order to do this, to create your stamp, you just need your sketch, your stamp, and a pencil. I would recommend a regular drawing pencil over a mechanical pencil. Mechanical pencil tends to tear. All right, so all you need to do is set your sketch directly on top of your stamp. And then I'm going to use my pencil while keeping the sketch in place. I know that's probably the hardest part. Use your pencil to trace over all of your pencil lines, drawing a little bit harder than you normally would. All right, so I have traced over all of my lines. You can tell because, you know, they're just a lot darker. I was pressing much harder. So I'm going to lift that up and hopefully you can see, I know it might be hard to tell, but my lines are indented into the stamp. Now this isn't quite deep enough. The lines are not indented quite deep enough for this print to show up, but now that you can see your lines, if you set it back down, grab your pencil, you are going to go over all of your lines one more time with pencil so that you can see and feel the difference between your lines. Once you have finished up with that part, you can save your stamp for next time when we'll learn about the printing process.